Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G31. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Now click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select receive on Motorola and send on an Android. Then tap on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose send and tap on got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on Motorola, choosing allow or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. So sorry, I got it wrong. So now when I click on receive and wait, I can see that my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!